Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and use back tab for hidden shortcuts on iPhone. I will be just tap on this settings and make sure you will be just finding this accessibility in the second option about journal, and I will be just get in, and here you will just find in physical and motor section is touch. I will just tap on it and get in, and you will just scroll down and the last you will see back tab. I will just tap on it and turn it on, and I will just set double tap, and from here you will just choose the action. I will just select it the on double tap to open the camera, and I will just select it in triple tap to open like notification center. So that's it, and I will be just go back on the home screen. So I will be just tap on it triple tap, and let's see the magic. You will see I will just triple times I will just tap on the back on iPhone, and it will be just show me the notification which I set. And when I just tap on double tap, so it will be just open the camera. So that's it. So in this way you will have to use back tap for hidden shortcuts on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.